And Gilded Early Bird 39.83. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 ears, 7 ear. Guardians up top. Phillies at the bottom. Seven times now on your names. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Basso up top. Metzger at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Guardians didn't sort. They're at the top. Gilded Bird. Good luck, guys. Here we go. All those freaking out of the way. I'll go for it if you want.
All right, good luck.
Rookie move, slide off the top. There you go.
Hey, man. Good luck. First card up, Vladimir Guerrero /99. For the Expos, that would be
The Nationals. Washington Nationals. And Matty Ice.
nice one there. Up next, Stan Musial /25 for the Cardinals. Nice looking card there.
And Josh Cox. No, he's not done for his career. He had a knee injury.
Our auto, double auto in here. Cal Mitchell /50 for the Pirates.
Craig Nixon.
Our second auto, Oswald Peraza, 99/99 for the Yankees.
Sean Patterson. There you go, Sean.
And our last card, Wander Franco /75 for the Rays. Now for the framed auto, good luck. Ozzie Smith /25 for the Cardinals.
Josh Cox, have a break.
Ozzie Smith. What are these?
180.
180?
Nope.
You even have anyone? Oh, these right here.
Yep.
Ozzie Smith. This card's got some weight to him. Recap. Ozzie Smith on the auto /25. Franco /75. Peraza /99. Cal Mitchell on the auto /50. Stan Musial /25. And Vladimir Guerrero /99. That's a break. Thanks for the fill.